Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An intriguing potential extension of Audi's well-known design principles, technology prowess, and dedication to refined luxury into the recreational vehicle market is the projected 2025 Audi Modern Luxury Motorhome. Despite the fact that Audi has not historically manufactured RVs, this concept car would surely represent the brand's elegant design and state-of-the-art engineering, establishing a new standard for luxurious mobile living. The 2025 Audi Modern Luxury Motorhome's exterior would feature a design language that is firmly anchored in Audi's modern aesthetic. It is distinguished by precise surfacing, clean lines, and an exquisite yet commanding presence. Sophisticated matrix LED lighting, which provides both cutting-edge illumination and a unique visual signature, would be positioned on either side of the visibly integrated Audi single-frame grille. With a sleek profile intended to reduce drag and improve stability, aerodynamic efficiency would be a top priority, resulting in a quiet ride and fuel efficiency. Audi's dedication to excellence would be reflected in the selection of materials, which might include expansive panoramic glass elements, discreetly integrated metal accents, and a simple yet powerful overall design. The luxury and modern elements of the Audi contemporary luxury motorhome really come together in the cabin. The inside would be a masterwork of minimalist design, ergonomic perfection, and technology integration, taking cues from Audi's top sedan and SUV interiors. Exquisite leather upholstery, genuine wood veneers, brushed aluminum, and maybe eco-friendly, high-tech textiles would all be used. The design would provide a smooth transition between living, dining, sleeping, and personal care rooms by carefully maximizing both open space and functional zones. Intelligent technology would be a key component of its design. The motorhome would probably have a sophisticated version of Audi's MMI infotainment system, which would control all of the vehicle's smart home features in addition to entertainment and navigation. This would include integrated audiovisual systems, automated blinds, dynamic ambient lighting schemes, and sophisticated climate control. For both pleasure and remote work, connectivity would be crucial, providing strong Wi-Fi, satellite communication, and smooth device integration. With its digital instrumentation and user-friendly controls that offer a commanding yet effortless driving experience, the cockpit would be a monument to Audi's driver-centric philosophy. Performance-wise, the RV would be designed for comfortable and effective long-distance travel, even if the emphasis would be on efficiency rather than speed. Smooth power delivery and remarkable range would be provided by a well-designed powertrain, possibly an advanced hybrid or even a totally electric configuration. The chassis would be designed to provide an exceptionally comfortable ride, maybe with adaptable air suspension to traverse different terrains with Audi's signature poise. Larger vehicle-specific advanced driving assistance systems would improve safety and lessen driver fatigue. In the end, the 2025 Audi Modern Luxury Motorhome would be a declaration of affluent living rather than merely a mode of transportation. It would combine the flexibility of nomadic luxury with the best automobile engineering and design to satisfy discriminating people looking for a mobile haven. It would offer a distinctive take on contemporary luxury, turning every trip into a magnificent encounter.